Hi, welcome to MG Tech Channel. This video will describe DevOps definition in a very simple and understandable manner so you could understand what it does and do you need to learn it. In a regular IT company, there is a group of people who are software developers. Their primary task is to write code. The second group of people is administrators, whose task is to maintain systems and solutions. This picture shows the connections between these departments. Over the left circle, there is developer-related activities, and on the right side, administrator-related. Let's overview the developer circle. Discover means to define what is necessary to develop. For instance, let's build a new feature that will track user geolocation and add it to our application. The planning phase means splitting the task across the team and creating a timesheet. For instance, John will create technical stuff for getting geolocation, but Alex will create a visual interface for this data. The building phase means technically putting together all the coded stuff, so it will represent one single solution. During the testing phase, the team is heavily working on solution and tries to find some bugs and instability issues in order to resolve them. Next is a deployment procedure that is already at the administrator's scope circle. Deployment means delivering solution from the development environment to production. In a simple manner, operating means starting, stopping, configuring solution when administrators need it. Observing basically means monitoring solution behavior to avoid memory leaks, overfilling the disk space, and in the most common way to understand is solution running or not. During some time, monitoring solution and receiving feedback from clients' new requirements are defined, and discover phase starts the circle iteration once again. So what is DevOps? It is the methodology. The primary goal is to make collaboration between developers and administrators as efficient as possible, so both sides are happy, and as a result, the final product will have less downtime, fewer bugs, and better stability. This methodology has its own manifest with best practice recommendations that are not overviewed in this video to avoid overwhelming information amount. If you like such a way of explaining complicated DevOps things in an easy manner, please press like and subscribe. This will be the biggest motivation for me to proceed with creating such format videos.